What's up, everybody? It's time to swap out the batteries. I have two sets. I figured I've been running these for a few months, charging, depleting them. It's time to switch them out. I do have a second set. Oh, look at that razor board. Real wood, by the way. Set that to the side. I use that to pad it because the original batteries are a little bit shorter than the aftermarket ones I have. These are Mighty Max. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pick them up. But you just unhook them, that's it. Take these old ones out, put them to the side. I tape them together so I can pull all three out easily. Same with these. I got the wiring harness on Amazon as well. And the Mighty Max batteries. I'll leave the link in the description for both. So when you want to swap them out, just do so. Now I'm going to run these for about 3 months. I don't want them setting too long. I don't want them to go dead. When I go on long trails, I'll throw them in the back of the basket so I can swap them out on the trail. But yeah, these are taller, so I don't need as thick of a pad. But I put that there so when the batteries kind of bounce, it's not just loose. You have some cushion there. Put the two screws in. Screw it, of course. It's a hex screw. And then I put the zip ties in the front to give it easy access. So all I have to do is those two back ones, and then I tie it down real tight on the front with these. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, love riding the scooter. I literally ride it every day because I go down the street to pick up my daughter from school. And she just stands on the front right there with her helmet while I sit on the back. And good to go. We still hit up the trails from time to time. Yeah, it's trusty. Don't know what I would do without this thing. It's super fun. Sometimes we'll throw the RC car in the back and just kind of go to the disc golf course and ride around, all that good stuff. Well, time to charge it.